Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I am back with another video. If you guys are new, welcome. Hey sis, please subscribe to my channel. You won't be disappointed. I'm really excited to film another video for you guys, and I'm bringing y'all some color. Like, I haven't played with color in so long. So I did a pink and blue glitter cut crease. So it's a really bold, bright makeup look. I think it's a really cute, fun makeup look, especially for the summertime. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep watching. Alright, so to start on this look, I'm gonna first start with the base. And I just use my concealers to prime my eyes. So today I'm going to use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer in the shade 145. This is what it looks like, and you can find this at any drugstore. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and place this concealer all over my lid. Like that. And I'm just going to take a buffing brush to buff this all out. This is a bold look. I know you guys miss my bold looks. I used to do crazy, dramatic, colorful looks just like this. But I haven't been feeling creative lately. But honey, I've been receiving so many colorful palettes, trying out new makeup, and I'm slowly getting back into the bright look. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. This is what the inside looks like. I'm going to start off with this light blue shade right here first, and I'm going to use the Anastasia A25 blending brush. So the next shade I'm going to use is this one right here. I'm basically just building all my colors, so I go from light, medium to dark. So the next shade I'm going to use is the darkest blue right here. And I'm going to apply this directly in the crease. And with this color, I'm using a small tapered blender brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. Next, you guys, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit. And this is what it looks like. I use a really light shade concealer, especially to cut my crease. Well, especially when I use like a bold color like a pink. You want to use a very light shade concealer so your colors will be nice and vibrant, you know? Alright you guys, so I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills A4 brush that I always use to clean up my brows with and to create cut creases. Like, oh my gosh, this is the best brush ever. Alright you guys, so the next color I'm going to be using is from this Profusion Festival palette. We'll be doing a full eye makeup look using this palette. So you don't even have to comment that down in the comment section, sis. I got you. These palettes only run for about $10. So I'm going to do an entire look using this palette. But for now, I'm just going to take this pink shade right here. And this is going to go all over my lid. So now that is all done, my glitter that I'm going to actually be putting on top, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in the shade Charm. Alright you guys, so next I'm going to do the exact same thing above the wing liner as I did in the crease. So the lashes I'll be using is from Glamour Beauty. It's in the style Sassy. So for moisturizer, I'm going to use this Bliss Gentle Moisture Cream. Not the Pond's, something different. And you can find Bliss products at Target. And it's a very thick consistency. It doesn't have a scent and it's very moisturizing. It's like every time I post a new video, my nails are different. Y'all, I couldn't do the long nails anymore. So I'm going to prime using the Covergirl Full Spectrum Mattifying Primer. So it's a really good mattifying drugstore primer. So I'm just going to rub this in. Alright you guys, so I'm going to use the Covergirl Full Spectrum Foundation, and I'm using the shade Tan Golden. I'm still using this foundation. It's a really good matte drugstore foundation. It's not too drying. So I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this out using my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. You can find this at Target. This sponge is bomb. So for concealer, you guys, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer in the shade 160. Let me know down in the comment section because I really need a new concealer. But these concealers are really good. If you haven't tried them, you should try them because they're really affordable for one, and you get really good coverage. I'm going to put a little dab of 145 on top. To set everything, you guys, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty setting powder, a yellow setting powder. To contour, I'm going to use the NYX Highlight and Contour Palette. So I'm going to mix these two shades right here on a small contour brush. My eyes are dramatic enough, so I do not want I definitely don't want a harsh contour. So to set my face, you guys, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty waterproof setting spray. And it says it's ultra matte finish, extra hold. When I tell you guys that this smells so strong, it has a very strong scent. It goes away after you, like, once you spray your face, a couple minutes later it does go away, but it also sprays out pretty harsh. Like, it's almost like a hairspray. You know how hairspray smells really good but really strong, and it sprays out like a lot. This reminds me of that. And the scent is pretty overpowering, and after you spray it on your face, it literally feels like glue. It didn't break me out or anything because I've used it twice, and it did keep my makeup on and in place and matte, and that is why I'm still using it. But if you can get over the smell, then you'll be fine. And make sure you really give it an arm length, like stretch your whole arm out to spray it. So for highlight, you guys, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Peach. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're bringing back some color, y'all. It came out exactly how I pictured. So I used the Lena Lashes Baby Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it is like the perfect nude. Look at that. It is like a go-to nude lipstick. So yeah, this is a very fun, bright look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are feeling this ponytail as well and want a video on it, I can definitely do that too. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like the video, comment down below other videos you guys like to see, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love each and every one of you guys, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.